Hello everyone, hope you are in great spirit. This is a short video on for the next 5 days. Basically, we are actually in mid of the true north, the two nods of two astral nods. Basically, one that was lunar eclipse that happened on 30th of November, and a solar eclipse that is going to happen on 14th of December. So we are left for just 5 days, including today. So this period of from lunar to solar eclipse is a very is said to be a period of great transformation. So I thought of making this video so that we can find out all these in these 5 days. What is it that we need to really do to bring about that transformation, and how is this period of eclipse going to affect us? So I'll be taking out 8 cards, out of which 5 cards I have already. You can see it is already there in front of you, and. And apart from that, I'll be using 3 of my oracle cards to get our rest 3 messages, just to add on to the messages that we have from these 5 cards. So let's get ready. The cards that I have pulled out are 8 of Swords, followed by 4 of Cups in the other perspective. So this is my vice versa tarot card. So this card does not believe into reverse reverse meanings. It gives a better perspective of the same situation. So basically, the first 2 cards are the cards which are talking about maybe during these 5 days, or maybe during this eclipse period, we all have been in a mental state wherein we have not been able to see what should we be doing. Our minds have been clouded. We have not been able to cut through and let go of things. We are all confused. You may be finding yourself as if you've missed some opportunity in your life and you're feeling really bad about it. But the whole idea of this tarot and this card is it gives a second perspective towards whatever missed opportunities we might have had in our lives. You might be questioning your intellect because you feel confiscated, you don't know what is the way forward. But the whole idea is whatever has happened, but these 5 days are bringing about a lot of transformation in these 2 aspects. In case you have missed any opportunity, understand, keep an eye, and really take action. This card calls forth for action from your side mentally. It's very important to really see through. If in the environment you're not able to see your victory, then at least you can practice visualization meditations. So imagination is one of the most powerful technique of mind, which helps to the more you visualize something in your life and you pour in your feeling into it, it becomes your reality. So basically, these 2 cards are saying that it's not the time to keep of inactivity or thinking that you cannot change your world, because these 5 days are definitely giving you a very powerful reasons to come out of that mental block, as well as a situational block of might have missed some opportunity. This is also calling forth to these 2 very positive cards. If you are able to take actions in these 2 aspects and are really ready to move forward and take steps, because as I told you, these 5 days are not 5 days of sitting tight, that nothing can happen in your life or your karma, and blaming somebody for bringing about the situation in your life. It's time for you to really take action for your own self so that you can move forward. So, and doing that will bring about happiness and celebration around you. It will bring about the if you can see in this picture, this there are 13 doves. So dove is basically a bird of peace, and it also 13 number denotes 13 dove basically denotes Venus. So basically, it's a kind of a celebration with your loved ones, your friends, people of like-minded people, your tribe basically. So if you're really going to push yourself a little through this mental block and situational block and really visualize a beautiful life, if that mental work you can do, if that determination and willpower, if you can really manifest from your life, there is this celebration, as well as you'll be able to plan your life from, like, 3 years, 4 years down the line. So this is the Emperor card in upright. So he is somebody who is looking into the future. So he just doesn't plan few hours or few days from now on. He plans life from now on. So he is somebody who plans 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line, how his money or life will be, what legacy is he going to leave, what are the influences he is going to create on people's mind. So a situation, if supposedly this kind of a situation has come up into your life, that doesn't call forth for stagnation. People should not be judging you from these two aspects, that, oh, this person is blocked and this person is not taking action, oh, something might have happened, or pity of people. So these two cards are actually telling us that there is, it's time for you to really take action in that angle, that you leave a legacy. There is a mark that people have in their mind of you as a very strong person, as a leader. If you can see, there is this is the sign of Aries, Mars. So Aries and Mars, Aries is ruled by Mars. So Mars is a warrior. Mars is somebody who rules. He's somebody who says that this is what I am. So obviously, this I am factor shouldn't be the one who is at pity or sympathy of somebody or is blocked, but rather this I am is basically somebody who rules, who leaves a legacy, who has an influence on people. So yeah, plan your life. So this is time. These 5 days are time to stop moaning about whatever mental and situational block and missed opportunities you might have had, or karmic attack you might have had. It's time for celebration, taking action, being with people, like-minded people, and really planning your life ahead with a lot of patience, because life cannot be planned with anger. So it's very important for you to have that patience and forward looking approach, because Mars is all about energy, enthusiasm, it's about taking action. It's a fiery planet. And lastly, we have the other perspective of 10 of coins. So this is wherein it is actually saying that if you can see, there is a tower here. So these two people are actually being told by this man that there is somebody who's sitting. This is the back seat of a throne. Okay, so if I'll just show you the other side. So this guy is sitting there. This is an old man who understands what life is, has moved on to, has really worked hard in his life, and is enjoying the fruits of his work, and a lot of balancing is there. And this is the knowledge that he's actually imparting to these two young people, the young couple, that it's time to really let go of the towers that you have made in your life. I can do this, I can't do that, this happens to me, that doesn't happen to me, or the similar such auto suggestions that we keep in our mind, that we actually limit ourselves in our mind. So he's actually asking these two young people and sharing his experience, that money or stability in life or name, fame, this one, and this kind of a celebration doesn't come into your life if you cannot let go of what has happened in the past, and let go of the tower that you have made of your old patterns and habits. It's time to really renew yourself. So eclipses generally also give you they portend the coming of a new cycle of life. But this solar eclipse is definitely very important, because it is asking you to really come out of your old mold and establish your truth and power and influence in your life. So for that, it is very important that you take action in your life. You have to really respect and have faith in your own self and respect your own life. That's very important. So now let me pull one card each from my three oracle cards. So this is my uh, keeper of the light oracle, and I'm going to pick one card from here. This is the card of higher learning, and it says you have learned your experience. You have learned from experience. More inner study is now required to further progress, and I think this is exactly what we are talking about, that we have had our experiences. You should really take action, really take experience, learn your lessons from the experiences that you have had from these two cards, and you have to really move forward. But yes, a lot of work has to be done, still a lot of work has to be done. Do not forget to celebrate your life and love your life and love your people around. Sorry for this messed up card here. Yeah, so this is go on for higher learning. It's like, there are people who are very, supposedly you are a graduate. I'm just hypothetically giving you an example. Higher learning is basically, if this card comes, it actually means that do not stop there. You have learned your lesson, you have come to this level, it's time for more action, because a very important card here is Mars. It's action card. Okay, so let go of whatever has stopped you up till now. Let go of all those old habits and the angers and frustrations that you have, or if you are actually expecting somebody else to do something for you, that doesn't happen, because this lady is actually expecting that somebody else will come and help her out in her life. That doesn't happen. Or even if you have missed this boat, you will have to really wait and create, see things from other perspective, and wait for the other opportunity and prepare yourself mentally. Okay, now time for our seventh message, and this is my energy card, and it says Angel of Strength. So very wonderful. Now, this is it has a lady. Basically, it's an angel, and she has a lion. So lion is a very fierce animal, said to be a leader, very strong. So this card is Angel of strength, and if you can see 550, so 5 is there. So this is catching my attention here. So what does this say is, you have to really overcome. This angel is actually helping you out in these 5 days to overcome that that those old patterns that we were talking about in this fifth card, that it's time to let go and create something new, and so that your newer version can take form. That's very important. So Angel of Strength is asking you to be really fierce in taking action, and being very disciplined. It's very important. So lion is the king of jungle, and this is the emperor card. So there are people who are leaders, and that means we are all leaders of our life. The people who are watching this video, you need to really understand that you cannot act like a servant. You have to have real faith in your own potential and create your reality, and create and pave way for others. So that kind of a leadership quality you have to bring out. Now I'm using my shaman oracle cards. Let me see what is the message for all. Okay, yet another 50. So I'm telling you, these 5 days are really important, and I believe whatever you are going to do will really help you out in another 100 days. So next 100 days are very important for you, because there is yet another 10 which is calling me a lot since the time it has come out. So next 100 days are very important. So basically your minimum, you have to start taking action right away, and these 100 days will be very important for you in terms of taking action. So I believe somewhere around mid of March, a lot of action oriented drama has to happen in your life, so that you can recreate your life. And these 100 days are definitely days of overcoming your weaknesses. Okay, now this spiral, if you can see the whole uh, the picture, it is a spiral, but it also has something. There are two perspectives to it. It has some. Very sharp edge is there. It also seems as if there is a kundalini shakti which is coiled up, so it's kind of a snake energy, the serpent energy which is there. So spiral is something which, spiral means that you are actually spiraling in your it's time to break free from this spiral energy. And this card calls forth for your inner transformation, your psychological spiritual transformation, so that you can break free. Snake, what does snake do is like it sheds its old skin so that it can acquire the new skin. So there is a rebirth, there is a transformation it does. So this spiral is like, you may be in this kind of a spiral in your life, but which may not be very good, and there can be a karmic spiral that might be happening. But this life energy within you, which is at the base of your spine, is wanting to come up, is really wanting you to awaken it. That doesn't mean that you start doing some chakra meditation or kundalini meditation if you don't know, but if you know, you can do it. But the whole idea here of spiral is that a colorful life is about to begin. So take action. Make meditation as your basis, make leadership and action as your basis. Just don't do inner work, but also basically I want to say is, do inner work or mind works and meditations, so that you can take action in the environment. So those are your messages. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and these divine messages. I thought of making this video so that for the next 5 days, and rather now I can say for the next 100 days, we know what do we need to do. So these 5 days are basically helping you out to come out of those old mold and old patterns, so that for the next 100 days you can really recreate, pave way for your own self, so that it can recreate your life. So do let me know, how does this work out for you? Where are you trying to change your life? And yeah, thank you so much. Please share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.